Welcome to today's presentation on Volume Profile and Trader Dale's Insider Guide to Trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding market analysis is crucial for success in the financial world. Volume Profile is a powerful tool that can help traders gain insight into market sentiment and identify key levels for trading decisions. And with Trader Dale's Insider Guide, you'll have access to expert strategies and insights to take your trading skills to the next level. Volume Profile is a technical analysis tool that shows the distribution of trading volume over a specified time period at various price levels. In other words, it provides insight into the buying and selling activity of market participants at different price points. By analyzing Volume Profile, traders can identify key support and resistance levels, as well as areas of high liquidity and potential breakouts. One way to visualize Volume Profile is through a histogram, where each bar represents the volume traded at a specific price level. The height of the bar indicates the amount of volume traded, while the width represents the price range. Traders can use this information to determine the strength of a trend, spot potential reversals, and make more informed trading decisions. Volume Profile is an essential tool for any trader looking to gain a deeper understanding of the markets. By analyzing volume data, traders can identify key levels of support and resistance, track market sentiment, and improve their risk management strategies. For example, let's say a trader is considering entering a long position in a particular stock. By using volume profile analysis, they can see that there is a significant amount of buying interest at a certain price level, indicating that this level may serve as a strong support level. This information can help the trader make a more informed decision about when to enter or exit the trade. Trader Dale's Insider Guide to Trading with Volume Profile is a comprehensive resource for traders looking to take their skills to the next level. This guide provides detailed insights into how Volume Profile can be used to analyze markets and make more informed trading decisions. The guide includes a wealth of information, including step-by-step instructions on how to use Volume Profile in your trading, real-world examples that illustrate key concepts, and practical tips for identifying trends and patterns in the market. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, Trader Dale's Insider Guide to Trading with Volume Profile has something to offer. One of the key features of the guide is its focus on risk management. Trader Dale emphasizes the importance of managing risk in your trades and provides strategies for doing so using Volume Profile. Additionally, the guide includes testimonials from satisfied customers who have used Trader Dale's methods to improve their trading results. Overall, Trader Dale's Insider Guide to Trading with Volume Profile is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to improve their trading skills. With its clear and concise explanations, practical tips, and real-world examples, this guide is sure to help traders of all levels achieve greater success in the markets. Identifying key support and resistance levels is one of the most important ways to use Volume Profile in your trading. By analyzing where price has previously found support or resistance, you can identify potential areas where price may reverse or continue its trend. Combining this analysis with Volume Profile data can help confirm these levels and increase your confidence in your trades. Tracking volume trends can also be a powerful way to use Volume Profile in your trading. By analyzing changes in volume over time, you can identify when buying or selling pressure is increasing or decreasing, which can help you anticipate future price movements. This information can also be used to confirm or contradict other technical indicators, providing additional insight into market sentiment. In conclusion, Volume Profile is an essential tool for traders looking to gain an edge in the markets. By analyzing volume data, traders can identify key levels, track market sentiment, and improve risk management. Trader Dale's Insider Guide to Trading with Volume Profile is a valuable resource for traders of all levels, providing practical tips and strategies for using this powerful tool to make more informed trading decisions. We encourage you to explore Trader Dale's Guide and continue learning about how Volume Profile can help you become a more successful trader. Remember, the key to success in trading is to always be learning and adapting to changing market conditions. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.